Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 15th of April 2021 and Thursday. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best Forex intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. And let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today. Just quickly recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live ID commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live Forex coaching and training through this platform, please watch that video. The link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair as I always do. And overall market condition today was, we haven't seen any volatility, but let's see how I analyze. So move into the 4-hour. As you can see, no big moves. So let's see how I analyze market today. I believe we have only one or two trades on EURUSD. So this was the analysis I did in this morning. So up channel, and that's what I explained to trader. Keep taking a pullback. Otherwise, breakout trade we are looking here. So you can see here we only had I think two pullbacks, and afterwards breakout. After the breakout, we announce all these pullback short trade, this channel breakout. So that's it. As you can see, there's no as such volume today on EURUSD, and most of the analyses are still valid. You can see here, this was the analysis still looking this breakout. And if you look at right now, price hasn't broken this pattern. We're still looking for this breakout. So we'll let you know tomorrow about EURUSD. Pound dollar has the same sort of no volume. You can see here price consolidation. And if you look at the intraday, we had only one long trade. That was the channel breakout. After the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback long trade as soon as the price hit to the previous high. And even in 4-hour, you can see here when the price hit to the previous level at this, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. That's it. And afterwards, price still is in consolidation and still waiting some of the analysis to be. After that, we did this analysis and still price is consolidation, hasn't broken this consolidation. All right, so we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite good trade. We had a two beautiful trade on dollar CAD and also in Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. All right, so let's move into the 4-hour. As you can see here, yesterday we had short trade and we were expecting this pullback after this breakout, and we have taken this wedge breakout short trade in intraday. Price hit to the target profit, bank some profit. At the New York session, we had this long trade, and let me share with you the intraday analysis based on the 4-hour price action. And if you look at here this morning, and we had this pattern breakout, as you can see here at this level, we have breakout as soon as the price hit to the fib channel, which is the support level, and bank beautiful pips. And at the New York session, price developed another pattern, and if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and that's what I explained to my trader. Look for the long trade here. You can see here breakout, beautiful long trade, and nicely hit to the target profit. So we had a beautiful trade on dollar CAD based on the 4-hour price action. All right, so I think that's it. We'll let you know tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll see how the market is going to react. And let me share with you the Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar trade this morning. You can see here this was the pretty straightforward pullback long trade, and also in Kiwi dollar. So these are the three major pair. We had a nice volatility and bank beautiful pips, and as you can see here, breakout, pretty straightforward breakout long trade on Kiwi dollar. All right guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and as always said to you guys, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, alongside with the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, help them answer all their question with the live market, so they can develop their trading skill in real time. So this platform also provide virtual platform, so they can practice all this analysis in real time. They can get the feedback on the spot in the real time. So once they develop their trading skill, we will also arrange trading funds for them. So that's the main objective. Even if you are struggling, you can develop your trading skill live through this platform, or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure, as you can see, this is all pure price action trading, and you can bank beautiful pips alongside with my other professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. And if you need any help in trading your challenges, please feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and the link is given in video description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.